gonna start working on the bottom plates. But first things first. Now first we need to grind down those welds so that the plate can lay flat. Okay, I'm gonna cut the square piece out, then I'm gonna bend this, and then I'm gonna trim it as needed. Starting to take shape. Fantastic. Now I'm gonna cut a piece out which I'm gonna make the plate for. Till the other plate I already made till somewhere here. So it's another evening. Yesterday got this roughly bent up, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna drill a few attachment holes and I'm gonna fit it up to the vehicle, and I can verify that the bends are okay, and then I can also tack it and go from there. can tuck it from here. Yeah, let's do this. I will weld this and also the other side, and we'll see you when I have already removed it once, one more time, and when we grind the welds and stuff like that. And yeah, okay, let's do this. I tucked it in. I also marked where I need to cut it, and now I will remove it, finish welding it, and cut it to size and grind it, clean it, drill a few more holes, and that's done. So got this all nicely welded up. Drilled a few more holes for attaching this. So now this is nicely in. Hello guys. We have a nice weather today. I don't even have to turn on the heater. And I figure I come to work on the machine for a few hours, or maybe an hour or so. I'm gonna work on getting this last piece fabricated, but first I'm gonna have to remove the drive shafts. So let's do this. So here we have it. Next I'm gonna cut here a piece of flat bar which will weld into that and make all that even stronger, and it will be a mounting point for this plate here. So let's cut this here and let's weld it in. So I got this main piece cut here and bent this lip, and now I need to create that shrouding and a hole for the drive shaft here. So now I have those bent. Now I need to cut here a piece, and that will have a round hole in the middle for the drive shaft, and then I can fill those corners in, and also from that side those. So So okay, let's do it. So here we have it. Now that I'm happy with the placement of this, now I'm gonna cut off some excess material from all those corners to make it look a little neater, and yeah, so let's get cutting. So I got those corners out and I got new pieces for here and also for here and here and here. Now it's the case of just fully welding everything. So basically the piece is ready, and later on this is just a piece of a car's inner tube. It will go and clamp around that flange I left here, and the other end will go around that and also be clamped down, and that should be plenty watertight. Yeah, so now I'm gonna install this on the car. I'm not gonna put the rubber yet because I need to paint all those parts later. But yeah, I'm gonna install it and then I can start working on the back. So that's what this piece looks like now. Obviously I will mount it with different set of screws, stronger. I will drill more holes and I will have some more fine fitting to do, but basically this piece is ready. So this is our rear frame, and we have this cross member or whatever you call it from Audi. At that time I put it here, I didn't know how I'm gonna finally build this, but now I know. I need to brace those ends into the frame more, and then I can cut this off here and I can do my watertight seal in here with rubber. I'm gonna put
extra brace. Here, I'm gonna weld it.
Another piece ready to go in. It will go like that, and it will weld in here. And this drive shaft is gonna come like here, like it's gonna go like that. You'll see later. And here will be the rubber seal, and then later I will make a bracket to hold the rubber around this, so it would be watertight. Okay, let's weld it in. So now this is welded in. I still have to make here this rubber seal system and a few brackets around that, and also there, and it will be done. Now we are working on the door frames. Now one is basically tacked together, and I'm gonna use that as a template to make